If you want to add story to highlights on Instagram, all you have to do is just to click on your profile picture on the right bottom corner. And now when you got this information, the story highlights, you have to click on this arrow and now click new. So now you will actually find all your stories. So from here I can find the recent stories and my current stories. Let's say that I want to add this one and this one. I have to click next. And from here I can set name. And below also I can change this cover. So I can put it, for example, like this. And then I can click done, but also I can simply click right here and I will be moved into the gallery and I can set my own profile picture of this highlight. Then I can click done second time, and now it will appear right here. And that's how you can actually do this. You can actually simply share it, create the new one, or for example remove. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.